Hello everyone. So our today's topic is all about the slicing. We know in the basic Python also string slicing and everything. The similar concept. Okay, here we have ARR, that is the object, and np.array, and we have one dimensional list 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So obviously slicing indicates what from where to where you want numbers. Okay, that is slicing. Now first indicates start index, and this indicates not exactly the ending one, but it will go obviously before that one element only. That means suppose for example 1, that means it will start from 2. Okay, then this is your index 0 1 2 3 and 4, and this is your index number 5. So 5 doesn't mean it will go till 6. Okay, it will be always n minus 1 concept, so it will go till obviously 5. Okay, that means this is your n. Okay, n minus 1 means what? It will go till index number 4. So it will print 2 3 4 and 5, because index number 1, index number 2, index number 3 and index number 4, it will not go till 5. Now 4 colon and nothing is given, so 0 1 2 3 and 4, it will start from 5 and it will go till end. And by default, if step count are not given, it is incremented by 1 only, that is default. Then nothing is given but go till index number 4. As I said, n minus 1, that means you have to go till index number 3. So nothing is given, it means you start from index 0. So it will go for index 0, index 1, index 2, and it will go till index 3. Negative, obviously right hand side minus 1, minus 2 and minus 3. So it will start from minus 3 for sure, that is for sure. But as I said, n minus 1, so minus 1 is minus 2. So minus 3 and minus 2. It will print only 5 and 6. And then 1 and go till 5, that means n minus 1 will be 4. And step count of 2, this is your 1. Okay, so step count 2 will be, next will be 4. And index, you have to go till 4 only. So 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now next step count is 6. It will not print. It will print only 2 and 4. And start and end is not given. So default is 0 index start. And step count is 2. It will start from 1, then 3, then 5 and then 7. Control S and F5. See, we are getting the output. Same 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 4 and 1, 3, 5, 7. And now coming to the two-dimensional slicing concept. Okay, we'll keep this line in the comment section quickly. All the lines. Right now it is not required actually. Okay, and the first line also. Okay. Now this you all can see two-dimensional, because this is two brackets two-dimensional, and this is the index 0 part and this is index 1 part. Okay, so we have two numbers or two parts actually. This indicates you are focusing on which index, which part actually. So 1 indicates we are focusing on this part, that is the first thing. And the second parameter, that is 1 colon 4, that means in the second part, this part, you start from index 1, you go till index number 3 only, because 4 minus 1 is what? 3. So if you are starting from here, index number 1, index number 2 and index number what? 3. That is 7, 8 and 9. So control S and F1. See, we are getting. So that is all about slicing in NumPy. Thank you everyone.